been a long time coming. One spirit dash. Yeah, the life I live is not mine, but I chose to believe it is all fine. I do what I please, I ain't still a plant. Thinking I'm on top of this world, but I'm still a man. Dash is the name and I'm stuck in this game, and the fact is the same, I can't fit in that frame. Some Malawian Christian rappers be like, I control the picture, I am the speedlight. Please, don't get me wrong, this ain't beef, right? I'm not fan of bacon either, my cable is C-type. I'm a Christian, delivered and saved human traveling. Dash T, in case you never knew that, that's me. Biti inedima funa kuti idzinjanja choncho ndima iwombera osati mfiti majangati Kristu kusinja kwa zinthu sindidanda ndilinga pa Yesu ndipo nanyamula ntanda. Of course osiyena ndi wagwamba kapena mafo osanena zomwe sitikamba pano pa mafo Makosana season 4. I don't understand the reason I wasn't here before, but now I'm here. I'm happy you gave me your ear to listen to what I had to say before we end this year. I was lost in my ways, but now I'm found. What I've done was not great, I can't say I'm proud. Anandila ambuye mene ine ndilili anandiveka pomwe ine ndinali chilili ndili pa ulendo anandipatsa tikiti sindi madandaso zokuti ndilibe TPT. I operate in a blue ocean, no DPP, closed circuit television, CCTV. Big brother is watching ya. The all seeing eye is sad, people got used to that with all being lies.